Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, November 2, 2023 on our channel. Secop has developed a new generation electronic controllers SWHW. Dramatic growth in demand for remanufactured transcritical CO2 compressors. Installation of about 600 million heat pumps covering 20% of buildings' heating needs required by 2030. World Energy Outlook 2023. Sanhua at Heating and Cooling Summit 2023. Carrier Transicold launches its Lynx fleet digital platform in China. Koura introduces new lower GWP refrigerant for the automotive aftermarket. Johnson Controls opens new OpenBlue Innovation Center in Glendale. Modine donation brings enhanced ventilation and temperature control to Parry McCluer High School Fieldhouse. Mitsubishi Electric's new VFT heat exchanger. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Secop has developed a new generation electronic controllers SWHW. Secop's variable speed NLVCN propane compressor solution provides perfect cooling efficiency, tailor-made features, and easy integration within a single unit while ensuring considerable energy savings. Secop has developed a new generation of efficient and effective electronic controllers for the NLV compressor with a modular SWHW design, which allow flexible configurations based on system needs. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Dramatic growth in demand for remanufactured transcritical CO2 compressors. Demand for remanufactured transcritical carbon dioxide-based compressors is rising sharply in the UK, according to Greenpoint UK, Bitzer UK's specialist services arm. And quote, sales of remanufactured Bitzer transcritical CO2 units are up 40% year-on-year, with a quarter still to go, and quote, says Will Pribble, Greenpoint UK General Manager. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Installation of about 600 million heat pumps covering 20% of buildings' heating needs required by 2030. High-efficiency electric heat pumps are the primary technology driving reduced emissions from heating in the building sector in the Net Zero Emissions by 2050 scenario, NZE scenario. The number of heat pumps installed globally rises from 180 million in 2020 to around 600 million in 2030. At least 3 times more efficient than traditional fossil fuel boilers, installation of heat pumps in individual buildings are forecast to rise from 1. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. World Energy Outlook 2023. The World Energy Outlook 2023 provides in-depth analysis and strategic insights into every aspect of the global energy system. Against the backdrop of geopolitical tensions and fragile energy markets, this year's report explores how structural shifts in economies and in energy use are shifting the way that the world meets rising demand for energy. This outlook assesses the evolving nature of energy security 50 years after the foundation of the IEA. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Sanhua at Heating and Amp, Cooling Summit 2023. September 14-15, 2023, China HVAC Industry Development Summit and Cooling and Amp, Heating Intelligent Manufacturing Award Ceremony was held in Shanghai, Crown Plaza Shanghai Jiangong Pujiang Hotel. The summit was organized by Industry Online, with the theme of Quad, Cooling and Amp, Heating Intelligent Manufacturing, Change and Reshaping and Quad, combining the current macroeconomic situation, upstream and downstream development trends, opportunities, and challenges in the development of the HVAC industry to carry out a number of exchanges and discussions, which can be said to be full of practical advice. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Carrier Transicold launches its Lynx fleet digital platform in China. Carrier Transicold has launched its Lynx fleet digital platform in China, providing refrigerated trucking operations more comprehensive monitoring capabilities for their refrigerated trucks and trailers. Lynx Fleet is part of Carrier's award-winning Lynx global ecosystem, which applies advanced Internet of Things, IoT, analytics, machine learning and big data technologies to connect the cold chain in the cloud, automate key processes, and deliver real-time visibility and insights throughout the cargo's journey. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Koura introduces new lower GWP refrigerant for the automotive aftermarket. Orbia's fluorinated solutions business Koura, one of the world's largest producers of fluoro products and technologies, today announced Koura R444A, a new, direct replacement for our 1234E for the automotive aftermarket. The innovative refrigerant not only provides the industry with a more economical option to our 1234E, but it also meets the need for a more sustainable, lower global warming potential (GWP) solution as the automotive industry advances to meet current and future use. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Johnson Controls opens new OpenBlue Innovation Center in Glendale. Johnson Controls celebrated the renovation of its North American headquarters in Glendale, Wisconsin. The 144,000 square foot facility exemplifies Johnson Controls' dedication to the productivity and well-being of its nearly 1,500 local employees. With its new OpenBlue Innovation Center, it also serves as a showcase of solutions for building owners, operators, and other industry leaders to create a new class of smart buildings that are secure, healthy, and sustainable. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. Modine donation brings enhanced ventilation and temperature control to Parry McCluer High School Fieldhouse. Modine, a technology and indoor air quality leader in the HVAC industry, recently donated 2 Airedale classmate units to Parry McCluer High School in Buena Vista, Virginia. The 2 units were installed in the football team's fieldhouse and will help improve indoor air quality through better ventilation, temperature, and humidity control. Read more the news on our website today. 10th News Today. Mitsubishi Electric's new VFT heat exchanger. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation announced that it has developed an aluminum vertical flat tube VFT design that improves heat exchanger performance by up to an unprecedented about 40% in heat pump air conditioners used for heating and cooling. The new VFT heat exchanger combines small diameter flat tubes, arranged vertically and very compactly, and a high-performance refrigerant distributor with a double tube structure that evenly distributes refrigerant. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.